Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing Home2 Suites by Hilton Bowling Green. Oh, it's a 3-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get special pricing. Located in Ohio, this hotel is located across the street from Bowling Green State University. It features an indoor pool with a jacuzzi and every room includes free Wi-Fi. Home2 Suites by Hilton Bowling Green provides guest rooms with expanded cable TV. A refrigerator and microwave are available upon request. A business center and a gym are also available at the Home2 Suites by Hilton Bowling Green. The hotel offers a daily continental breakfast. Toledo Zoo is 22.5 miles from Home2 Suites by Hilton Bowling Green. The University of Toledo is 28 miles from the hotel. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.